Okay, we're going to do a last minute Halloween project, and this is to kind of show you can make something from anything. And if you see my little piece of wood here, it probably doesn't look like much. We're going to see if we can make it into something for Halloween. Okay, so we have it all painted. Can you tell what it's supposed to be so far? Maybe, maybe not. Maybe your piece of wood will be a different shape, and it will turn out to be a different thing. But it's all a matter of doing what we can with what we have. So we're going to let this first coat dry and move on to the next step. Now, if you can see here, we have roughly drawn in what we want to paint. There's a little mouth and the eyes for our ghostie. Now, as you can see, we're taking our black and we're painting in our eyes. We'll get to the mouth and the arms. Here we go. What do you think so far? Look at his little ghosty hand way out there. His little other ghosty arm. I think he's looking pretty good. We still have a few things to do. Now we have taken our toothbrush and dipped it in our black paint. And if you can see, we spattered that black paint on here because it gives it depth. And it just makes it look better. On to the next step. And look at our ghost now. We gave it a little bit of stain. And wiped it back off. And I think it's all ready to join its other friends on the porch for Halloween. Wasn't that simple? It was pretty simple. And your ghost, or whatever you pick, may not be this shape. Maybe something else you just have lying around. This was just a leftover piece of wood. And it cost me nothing because I already have the paint. And we have another Halloween decoration. Yay! And here's our finished ghostie outside. He's come to join all the other decorations. Trick or treat. I still like that one a lot. And see how easy that is? He's just sitting in his door frame here. With all the other stuff. Most of this you can see on previous videos. But as always, please, please, please subscribe for more. I need about 950 of you more just to qualify for YouTube's quota. So each and every one of you matter that is seeing this, please subscribe. And you'll get more ideas. Ghostie. Thank you for watching.